Good morning, students. Today I am going to recall again about the narration. In the previous class I have just discussed about what is narration. So for your kind information, narration is the another word for a statement, and actually we can present a sentence or represent a sentence in two forms, that is direct form or indirect form. So therefore the sentence or the part of narration basically can be classified in two columns, direct and indirect. Therefore it has two branches, direct speech and indirect speech. In the previous class I have just discussed about the general rule. Today I am going to discuss about the special rule of the narration. There are 5 sentences and there are particular rule for every sentence, but today I will discuss about only 2 sentences in order to make you understand the special rule of narration. Here I am going to explain about the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be classified in 2 sections. Affirmative and negative. Because assertive stands for a statement, and a statement can be in 2 forms, that is affirmative or negative. Now here take an example. What are the special changes that are made in changing an assertive sentence into indirect speech? Here Sunita said to Ram, "You are my sister." As I have already explained that the part of the statement which is within the inverted comma are known as the reported speech, and the part of the sentence which is out of the inverted comma, this part is known as reporting verb, and this one is reported speech. Reported speech. So here the first condition, most of the rules of general rules are followed here, but one thing, when if there will be an object after say, sage or said, it becomes tell, tells or told. Sunita said to Ram, "You are my sister." Sunita told Ram that he was Sunita told Ram that he was his. I think her brother will be more appropriate. That he was her brother. He was her brother. There is no any further steps in this statement, but today I am just want to discuss about the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are of two types. One that begins with WH words and the other that begins with anomalous finite. Take an example. Ram said to me, "Do you know English?" So in case of interrogative sentence, said should be converted into inquired of or asked. This is the first step. Second, at the place of inverted comma, if should be given. If or whether is probably used. Third, general rule. General rules will be applied as follows, as it is. Here, now take this example. Ram asked me. At the place of inverted comma, if should be given, so Ram asked me if, because this sentence is present in indefinite tense. So Ram asked me if, according to the change of persons, when you keep in memory of the general rule, second person changes according to the object, so it will become I. So Ram asked me if I knew English grammar. So I think you just keeping in mind these two rules, you can change the narration based on a special rule in very convenient way. There will no any problem. If you will have any problem, you may contact me. That's all.